Hey guys, welcome back. So, I haven't recorded in a while, it's been 2 weeks. Yeah, I know. So, I rebranded again. Yeah, I know. I named my channel Cynics Corp and I was trying to do stuff like that, but to be honest, yeah, it's kind of bad to be fair. But now I'm Blur 988. No one's using the handle, so I have a clean, nice one. And I just think it looks cool in the profile picture. I just found that on like Pinterest, and yeah. Anyway, so we're gonna be checking out. So I'm just gonna be updating you basically on what I'm working on right now, because I haven't been doing nothing for this 2 weeks. I've been working on stuff for Tor, which, if you don't know what Tor is, it stands for the Onion Router. It's basic. People call it the dark web or whatever. But it's called Tor. If you don't know what Tor is, you can search up Tor. Boom, Tor. And you can find out how it works and stuff like that. You can obviously do all that. You can just download it from here. You can download it for Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android. And yeah. So I've been working on some stuff. I had an issue the other day with this is a server that I'm building for the YouTube channel on Discord. It's not out yet. I just put links in there for now. So we're gonna open up Tor, and this website that I'm gonna show you is pretty cool. It's around I think it's actually exactly 555 lines of code in Python. I just like using Python, and I like to make it all in one single file, so the Python has HTML in it as well, so which is pretty cool. So this onion address, I'll put this down in the description. You can go to this right now. And let's hope it's actually up. Yeah, it is. Well, it should be. So basically, this is a short link website. So how this works, basically, you can share links on Tor with this. Short link is never really going to be a short link, bro. It's sharing via this. It's not short at all, but it's just a cool way, I guess, to share, links. It's just a cool way, yeah, to just share links and stuff. So if you can use this, I don't save any data. I mean, it's just so basically. I'll show you. We'll go to my main server. That's the wrong password. Okay. I put in the wrong password. Oh my god. There we go. So basically, this is the Tor link shortener. As you can see, it's got 2 gigs of RAM. This is a dedicated server I have built. I have 2 servers now. So this whole server is for Tor. As you can see, I did some. This is what it looks like on the dashboard. It's running right now. As you can see, if I press Control C, it works out. But I'll SSH into there. So we're going to a terminal, and I'll show you what it looks like basically. There we go. So here we go. So this is it. Tor shorty prod, because this is the production version. other version. There are other versions I have. If you want me to, I can put this on GitHub. I probably will. If you ask me to, I'll do a video on it. I'll do a whole separate video on how it fully works, or something like that. So the links.json is where the links get stored. So when you make a link, it gets stored in the links.json. Yeah. So if it's like, but the data is I'm not sharing the data with anyone. It's just me. And I'm, I like to keep stuff anonymous and stuff like that. Well, as in I don't want to, I don't look at what people are doing or anything, but just don't use this for malicious purposes, please. Just don't. I know people probably will, but yeah, it is what it is, I guess. But I can't really stop that. But I want people to use this. It's a tool. It's free. You just go on there. It doesn't even have a name. It's just called. It just says create a short link. Bam. I don't really like putting names. It's just nothing. It's just a tool. Just use it. And then we have there's a cache, links lock, which I can't really remember what that does, but it does something. But yeah. So the target onion URL, so I don't actually have any onion URLs, but we'll just use this one, the actual normal one. We'll just make it go to a random directory, so it will say failed. So the slug length, I'll explain what this does. We'll leave it at 10. Expiry, we'll make it expire in 2 hours. You can change this to minutes, hours, or days. And then you can do max clicks as well. So you can do 3. We'll do 3 and I'll show you how that works. And I'll do, this is a cool test. And you can do a description. Hello. Oh. My name is (988), and you can change the theme as well. So you can do dark, light, retro green, matrix, shadow, and custom. You can make your own custom ones with different things. You can use this. But I would just recommend using these realistically. It's just easier and quicker. But we'll leave it. We'll change it actually. We'll do shadow. Shadow is pretty cool. But you can make a custom one if you like. And we'll also do a password. The password thing is kind of pointless, really, to be honest. But we'll just do the password as 1, 2, 3, because that's really secure. Create short link. And that might take a second. Boom, short link created. So the slug, what the slug does is how long this will be. The longer, the more secure, really, because it's a randomly generated slug. Slug. Frozen appearance, title, protection cannot be changed, and stuff like that. Yeah. Expires, and then 1 time, false password protected, true. We'll open the short link page, and here you go. This is a cool test. Even though the target host it shows the target host link, and also, as you can see down below at the top, the bottom left corner, it shows the link on here. But I don't know why there's a /r. Oh wait, no, that's because. Oh wait, no, it doesn't show the link. I'm just stupid. So if you open that link, which we'll just open it in a new one. Password required. So we'll do. And if you enter the wrong password, 5 submit. Bam. And if we look on the server. You can also see the created short link. This short link was created. and you can see all that. Oh, open up this. But if you go target 1 1 1 2 3, I think I put it as submit, and there we go. It took me to this random thing that I put in there. Link is expired or does not exist, as you can see. And then if we go back, it will say 0 clicks because we just kind of just went back, but the server knows that it's been clicked once, as you can see. Clicks 1, max 3. But if you refresh this, then yeah, and then you can open it again. So we'll do it again. 1 2 3, submit, and then I'll show you what happens on the third time. So refresh, as you can see. I don't know why it says the correct password up there. 1 2 3, submit. There we go. If we go back here, now it'll be gone. Yep, as you can see, it's completely gone, and it gets fully deleted from the server. So once this link is like, you know, once it's been clicked that certain amount of times, then it's just deleted straight from the JSON file. I know using a JSON file isn't really the best, but because as it builds up, it can get slow because it's like not like a proper database. But I can change that in the future anyway. But I think I'll just stick to the JSON file, which should be fine. I mean, it's not like this. It's a very like this website is like. It's not like I'm running like some AI model and I need loads of computer power. But I mean, I've only have it on 1 core right now. I can obviously put more cores. It doesn't even need. It only uses 1% of CPU. Well, usually it rarely hits 1%. On idle, it just hits 0.3, but obviously as it gets used, it will go up. It's gone up to 1.68% usage, which is literally nothing. And yeah. I'm also running this on Debian, by the way. The server is running on Debian. I like to use Debian for... I used to use Ubuntu server for a lot of stuff, but I started using Debian. Debian is just better, really. Like, you can make it so it just practically installs nothing on the first, and I'm pretty sure it's a bit smaller as well. Quite a bit smaller than Ubuntu server, and plus this because like Canonical, if that's how you say that, the brand name or whatever it's called, the company that does Ubuntu, like makes Ubuntu, yeah, they have some like controversy and stuff. As you can see, we can also just refresh it again on here, and obviously it doesn't exist. But you can just refresh this, cancel. Oh wait, it's because that's going to resend that. But yeah, you can make the slug length. I can't remember what I set it to. The maximum, I can't really remember what I set it to. But I would recommend just leaving it on the default 10. You can do one-time use, so it can only be used one time. So we'll paste in this slug length. We'll put that to. We'll do 15. I don't know if it can even go up to that. Expiry. We don't need to do that. We don't need to do that. Hello. LOL. Theme. We'll do matrix. Password. We won't set a password for this one. Boom. It shows me the theme on this, and there we go. As you can see, expires never, but it expires once it's clicked on. So as soon as this is clicked, it's gone. As you can see, and it's in the matrix theme. Go to target. It takes me here because that's what I put the link as. And if we refresh, it's gone. So you can make one-time use links. But you can use this for yourself. This will be the top link in the description. Yeah, I'll put this as the top link in the description, and you can check this out. You can use this, to share links on Tor. I did have a chat service on Tor. Never made a video about it. It was up for quite a while, and I got people to use it from another chat service on Tor. I just got people. I asked people if they want to use it, and got some people to join. Had like around maybe 15 people max in it, and it's really, really cool looking. It looks really nice. And the reason why it went down is because I had a hardware failure on my server, and I lost it. But I have the code backed up in my NAS, my storage server. So that is just not gone. Like, I can just make a new Debian virtual machine, which I will be doing soon, and I'll just have it back and up and running. So what I'm actually going to be doing is I'm going to make a website which will have all of my services. So it'll be like how do I explain? So like it'll be, is it like a whiteboard kind of thing? Actually, no, we're going to HTML compiler. We'll just like kind of, I'll show you an example of what I mean. So we'll just delete this out here. So this is an example. So we'll do h1 test br, and it'll be like href, and this will be like for example Tor link service, and then the onion link will be in here, which will be that. So it'll be Tor short link service, bam, and then I'll put next, there'll be like another thing next to it right here, and we'll say if it's up or not. But wow, I'll update it. It'll only have to be updated manually. It won't like check and see if it's actually online. It'll just say like if I've shut down the service, or it's been taken down maybe, which it shouldn't do, but or if there's just some other issue. And then I'll obviously have like the server could be down, maybe my power's gone out, or my internet's gone out, or something like that, and that's why it's not working. It'll obviously look way better, but wow, I might make it look like crazy good. It just needs to be simple. Just run on Nginx. I really like Nginx actually. I remember the first time I used Nginx, I actually quite liked it. It's a pretty cool. It's pretty cool and powerful. But on this website, this won't just be host putting my services. It will also be like, I'll also put my programs that I make in here as well, and the project code, so you can download that directly from my Onion service if you want to download it anonymously. But you obviously don't have to do that. I mean, it's not like you're downloading anything illegal. It's literally just, yeah, it's just like none of this is illegal, obviously, because I wouldn't do that. But it's just a cool thing that people can use. I think it's pretty cool. And yeah, it's up and running. It's been running for around 2 days straight. Haven't been shut down. Almost 2 days actually, but it hasn't been crashed or anything. Well, which it shouldn't, because I've tested a lot and it works perfectly. If there's any issues anyway, just comment on this video, tell me what's wrong, or if there's anything wrong with it, and I'll fix that. I know these overlap, but it doesn't really matter. Like, it's not affecting anything, so it's fine. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. It was kind of, it's not even that long of a video. I thought it was way longer. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. This will be linked in the description, so you can check this out if you like. It'll be, this unknown service will be the top link in the description. Oh my god, please stop making that. Sorry if that was really loud. My bad. But yeah, please check it out. And yeah, this will be up forever, hopefully. I won't shut it down or anything like that. I'm just gonna keep it running, and I'll update you guys on other stuff and all that. And there should be some other videos coming up, maybe. Well, there will be in the future. And yeah, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.